Anong feeling na ikaw yung nag-ano ng music?
It's really hard. I tried my best. You know, I have to press this button every time they start while I'm chatting online.
Okay.
How does it feel being the camera women?
Mahirap kasi malilikot. Tsaka kailangan tingnan talaga. So, proud ako akong napili nilang camera girl.
One more question.
What?
Who's that cute person playing the music?
Oh my God! I'm cuter than her.
Anong feeling? Anong nararamdaman mo bago ka sumayaw? Anong feeling?
I feel like my feet are gonna hurt again.
Oh. Anong masasabi mo na nakasali ka sa sayaw na to?
I feel great to be in this production.
Okay.
It is the second, third, fourth, I don't know, fifth production I've made, but that was in Africa. This is Japan.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, anong nararamdaman mo? Nasali ka dito sa sayaw na to. Anong feeling bago kayo sumayaw?
Happy tsaka proud kasi kasali ako.
Anong masasabi mo sa nagturo ng sayaw?
Magaling.
Okay. Thank you, Bobby. Tignan niyo po ang nakain ni Pamela. Anong nararamdaman mo, family? Bago kayo sumayaw. Anong nararamdaman
How
mo
do you
bago
feel
kayo?
when you're dancing? Before you started dancing?
Yeah.
What did you feel?
I felt nervous
And what?
and I was nervous but ready.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, samahan niyo naman ako. Happy
Ganon,
birthday
Bobby.
to you.
To you!
Happy birthday to you, Monica. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pami, Pami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pami.
Cha-cha-cha! Charming!